Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Azteca Mexican candy, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So I just got this big heavy box full of candy, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. But I'm going to show you guys the website first before I even look in this box, because when I was checking out their website, I couldn't decide what I would even want to order. Everything looks so good. And I have done unboxings for other type of like Mexican candy, Japanese candy, etc. But this looks different. It looks more authentic, more high quality. So it is probably going to be a little more expensive than just like the novelty items that I did in my last box. You know, I do love unboxings and I did love that other box that I did, but it's just a different type of candy if you guys know what I mean. Maybe more like adult candy, if you will. I'm not sure, but let me show you their website so you guys can see exactly what I mean. And then I'm going to take a look in my box and see what he sent me. And I want to thank him so much for sending me this box for review. There were so many things that I loved and I really, really wanted to try, but I didn't give him any specifics. I was just happy with anything that he was going to send me. So I didn't want to like say, well, I want this and I want that, but everything looks so good. I kind of wanted it all. So let's take a look at the website and you're going to see exactly what I mean. Let's take a quick look at the website. I did want to show you guys, but I wanted to refresh my memory also because when I was looking at the website, everything looked amazing and delicious, but I didn't know what most of the items were, but I knew they looked really good, so I wanted to try everything. So basically what it says here is all you have to do is sign up with your email address. You can customize your box with 20 of the most popular, amazing, delicious sweets and get free shipping. So I guess they're going to give you a promo code when you sign up with your email address and you'll get free shipping. So let's take a look at these snacks so you guys can see what I was talking about. So the first thing that caught my eye is anything coconut. I love my favorite type of any type of candy is coconut. So I do hope some of these snacks are in my box. So let's take a look. Okay, so everything looks so good. Now this candy kind of reminds me of a candy, kind of like a retro candy when I was a kid that they used to sell in all the stores. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? So I am not sure if I can pronounce that. I guess it's just Coco Bandera. There's that. And this is Coca Pina. So I guess maybe pina colada maybe. There's that. And here's Coco Leche. So all of those look really, really good. Let's go to all collections and you guys can see everything. So do you guys see what I mean? How it's not just novelty candy, it's actually just, it looks like high quality, delicious candy that anybody would like. I don't know what that is. And it's actually not expensive. I was thinking that this was going to be really, really expensive because it just looks like it would be, but it's not. So here are some brown glazed peanuts. Let's take a look at all kinds of stuff. I can't pronounce that, so I'm not going to try. So if you guys know what that is, please leave me a comment down below. And Glorious? Do you see what I mean? How everything looks so good? Guava roll, pumpkin candy, red glazed peanuts. Everything looks so good. So I'm so curious, what is milk candy? Let's see. Oh, these are the milk candies, I guess. Guava roll. What about the sweet crystallized? So I'm so curious to see what's in my box. So I'm going to put the link to this website down below in my description so you guys can check it out if you want to order. This is not expensive at all and free shipping, and you can pick 20 items. That's amazing. So I can't wait to see what's in my box. Okay guys, I'm about to show you what's in the box, and I must admit I already did take a look without you guys and I already taste tested something. I couldn't wait. but I'm going to show you what's in the box. I'm really surprised. And I have my computer right next to me on their website. In case I'm not sure exactly what a certain item is, I can look back on the website so it'll tell me exactly what it is. So let me show you guys what's in the box. And there's everything. And everything looks so good. It looks like they sent me like 2 of everything. So if anybody out there wants to help me do a taste test and you're in my area, leave me a comment down below so you can help me taste test all of this. But it's not going to last long. It looks really good. So let me show you guys each individual item. So these are some glazed peanuts, and let me look at the website. These are the red glazed peanuts. These also remind me of like the retro candy, if you guys know what I'm talking about, that I used to all the time buy when I was a kid. So there's that. And here are some brown glazed peanuts. Is that the name of them? Let me take a look on the website. Let's see. Yep, I believe so. So there's those. Sorry, just looking at the website. Yep, brown glazed peanuts. And here are some more brown glazed peanuts. And this is that retro candy that I said that reminded me of when I was a kid. But the colors of that retro candy, if I remember correctly, was pink, white, and brown. But this is coconut. There's that. And I wasn't sure what this is, but it was that candy that I showed you on the website that was called Gloria's. So you can refer back to the website, that picture. So you can just slice that up. I can't wait to try that. And this looks like a fancy granola bar. Looks like it's all kinds of glazed nuts and everything. And so let's see. I really can't pronounce it, but I see it on the website. Palanqueta? Did I say that right? There's that. And here are some glazed pecans. So this is like my very favorite candy. Like all kinds of like coconut and nuts and stuff like that would be my absolute favorite candy. So this box is just amazing. Guess it depends on what your favorite candy is. Okay, and there is that, as you guys saw on the website. Dolce Leche. I know I'm not pronouncing that right, but anyway, it looks delicious. And this is like, let me see. This isn't the guava roll, is it? I don't think so. It might be. Yeah, it is. It's actually the guava roll. There's that. And I'll show you guys what I've already tried. So there's 2 of the guava rolls. There's going to be a part 2 to this video, a taste test. I've already tried one thing. Kind of funny though, the video that I made before this video, I was testing a product out for low-carb dieters. And I just ruined my low-carb diet, but that's okay. There's that. Here are some more red glazed peanuts. So when you go to their website, like I said, I'm going to put the link to their website down below, and you can order. I didn't count these items, but this looks like 20 or more items, and you guys can pick out whatever you want. And I cannot, like I said, I can't believe the prices and free shipping. So this box was heavy, so I was really surprised. This is what I tried. This is what I could not wait to try. and I tried it a little while ago. Here's the empty wrapper right here. There it is. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. Cut it in half so you guys can see what the inside looks like. Just pure coconut toasted on the top. If you guys are a coconut fan like I am, and I know my son loves coconut too. My son, he lives in Japan, and I send him a big box of all kinds of stuff that he misses every month, but I already have his box all packed up and sealed up, so I can't put in any of this stuff in the box for him. There's another one. Doesn't that look so good? There's that. And there's another one. This was definitely worth breaking my low-carb diet for. If I had to break it, this was worth it. And the last thing is another one of these. So that was everything. So like I said, I'm going to put the link to their website in my description. If you guys are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.